Hi, in front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this OPPO. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now choose additional settings over here, go into keyboard and input method, tap on your currently used keyboard, in my case keyboard, and tap on theme. Over here click on this plus sign under my themes and tap on the photo that you want to apply. Now you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap down. Lastly, you can click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them on or off and tap apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!